It's time for a brain game number 2. We're just getting warmed up here. We're just getting warmed up. So this next one, I'm gonna explain it to you before we do this. And what you're gonna see is, you're gonna see a list of words, text, and they're going to be different colors. So it'll say like black, yellow, red, green. And they're going to be grayed out on the screen here in just a second. So you'll see this huge list of text. And what's gonna happen is the word is going to change to a color. And what I want you to do is I want you to say the color that you see, not what you're reading. All right, so if you have little people who can't read words yet, just have them shout out the color, right? Because they'll see the color pop up. It's just as fun. And we'll see if it'll actually be interesting to see if the little people who can't read can see the color, say the color faster than other people who can read and see the color. So you're gonna see the word, you're gonna say the color you see, it's gonna go all the way across, and then it's gonna go backwards, okay? So we're gonna see if there's a difference between going forwards and backwards. Are we ready? We're gonna pull on, it's gonna be on there for about 6 or 7 seconds, grade, but just get ready. Here we go. All right, so we finished going forwards. Now we're gonna try it backwards. Here's the question. Which way was easier? Was it easier to go forwards or was it easier to go backwards? For me, it's easier to go backwards. If you like that activity and want to see more experiments, make sure you like and subscribe. See you soon.